If you've ever wanted to capture the magic of the ocean and bring it into your own home and sound healing practice, then look no further. The Remo Ocean Drum is the perfect way to bring the beauty of the sound of the ocean into anything that you do with your sound healing instruments. This is one of my favorite drums to use. This one is a 16-inch, but we also have a deeper 22-inch ocean drum as well. What's very unique about this instrument is it can be played in a variety of different ways. One of my favorite ways to play this drum is to simply tilt it over and let the metal beads roll over the head of the drum, creating that beautiful wave-like sound. Another way that you can capture the sound of the ocean in a little bit gentler sound is to just tilt the drum on its other side and gently rub your fingertips over the edges of the drum, creating this beautiful, warm, gentle wave sound. Another way to play this drum is by tapping out rhythmic patterns with your fingers on the other side of the drum head. So by doing this, you can create some beautiful, fun, exciting, lively tones and have an opportunity to mix in that shaker sound from the metal beads as well. If you have a drum beater, it gives you another opportunity to create new sounds with this drum. Regardless of how you choose to play your ocean drum, I highly recommend this for any sound healing toolkit or instrument collection. It's a beautiful way to incorporate the healing, calming, beautiful sound of waves on the beach into your home every single day.